Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in a HP Envy 6120E. Now we can do this directly from the printer without needing to involve an attached PC or laptop. Now we get started going underneath the scanner to where there are recesses found on the left and the right. If you feel those, just lift up gently until you feel it click, like that, and the weight of the scanner bed will be held up by the machine itself. And as you can see, the printer has recognised I've lifted the scanner and has moved the ink cartridges to the left slightly, so we're able to access them. And to get the cartridge out, we have colour on the left, black on the right. Simply press down and you'll see it goes slack. Then you can pull them out. Now the cartridges in my printer currently are instant ink ones, and when it comes to replacing cartridges in the Envy 6120, there are a few considerations. If, like me, you're taking out instant ink cartridges, you'll need to either reinstall an instant ink cartridge, or if you're wanting to use other cartridges, you need to replace the entire set because of the way the instant ink program calculates the uses of cartridges. You can't carry on with one instant ink and one non-instant ink cartridge in there. Further to that, if you've activated HP Plus on the printer, you will have to use HP original cartridges no matter what. Once HP Plus has been activated, there's no way to use third-party cartridges. And if you want to learn more, we've got a couple of videos on the topic of HP Plus on our channel. Now, this cartridge is fine, so it's going straight back in, but if you've got a new cartridge, you'll want to make sure any protective packaging's been removed, any bits of plastic tape that are covering the printhead on the bottom have been removed, along with any paper tabs you might find that cover the electronics or are tucked up the side as part of that plastic tape. And to pop the cartridge back in, just do what we did in reverse. So just slide it in there nice and loose till it's sat right at the back. Then we just kind of push at the cradle and lift the cartridge until you hear that nice little snap that indicates it's back in position. Now repeat for the black cartridge if needed, and then lower the bed of your scanner. Your printer will then take a look, make sure it's perfectly happy with the ink cartridges, let you know of any issues, and allow you to carry on printing. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.